Bringing a newborn home is one of the most overwhelming and beautiful moments in life. You've waited months to finally hold your baby, and suddenly, you're responsible for this tiny, fragile human being. And here's the truth. Every parent, no matter how prepared, makes mistakes in those early days. But some mistakes can affect your baby's health, growth, or safety. And the good news? With the right knowledge, you can easily avoid them. In this video, we're going to uncover the biggest mistakes parents make with newborns and, more importantly, how you can fix them. We'll talk about feeding, sleep, hygiene, bonding, safety, and emotional well-being so you can feel more confident, calm, and connected as a parent. So, if you've ever asked yourself, am I doing this right? You're not alone. Let's go through this together. Feeding mistakes. One of the most common areas new parents struggle with is feeding. Mistake number 1, overfeeding or underfeeding. Newborns can't tell you, I'm full now. Instead, they give cues, like turning their head away, closing their mouth, or getting fussy. Some parents mistake fussiness for hunger and keep feeding, which can lead to spit up, discomfort, or even long-term weight issues. On the other hand, missing feeding cues can mean the baby isn't getting enough. How to fix it? Watch for early hunger signs, rooting, sucking on hands, or lip smacking. Feed on demand, not just on the clock. For breastfed babies, every 2 to 3 hours is common. Formula-fed babies may go a bit longer, but listen to your baby's signals more than the schedule. Mistake number 2, incorrect bottle positioning. Some parents lay their baby flat during bottle feeding, which increases the risk of choking or ear infections. How to fix it? Always hold your baby semi-upright and tilt the bottle just enough to fill the nipple with milk, preventing your baby from swallowing air. Mistake number 3, rushing to introduce solid foods. Many families feel pressure to start solids early, but starting before 6 months can put stress on a baby's digestive system and increase allergy risk. How to fix it? Wait until your pediatrician recommends it, usually around 6 months, and watch for readiness cues like sitting with support and showing interest in food. Sleep mistakes. Sleep is one of the hardest parts of newborn care, and mistakes here can affect both safety and sanity. Mistake number 4, unsafe sleep practices. It might feel comforting to let your baby sleep with blankets, pillows, or even in your bed. But these can all increase the risk of sudden infant death syndrome. How to fix it? The safest sleep environment is baby on their back, in a crib or bassinet, with a firm mattress and no loose items. Use a sleep sack instead of blankets to keep them warm. Mistake number 5, keeping the baby awake too long. Some parents think a tired baby will sleep better at night, but the opposite is true. An overtired baby becomes fussy, overstimulated, and harder to soothe. How to fix it? Watch for sleep cues like rubbing eyes, yawning, or fussiness. Newborns need 14 to 17 hours of sleep per day in short stretches. Following a calming bedtime routine helps too. Mistake number 6, using sleep as the only soothing method. Many parents assume every cry means their baby is tired. Sometimes, babies cry because they're hungry, overstimulated, need a diaper change, or just want to be held. How to fix it? Respond to cries with curiosity, not panic. Over time, you'll learn your baby's unique language. Hygiene and health mistakes. Newborn skin and immune systems are delicate, which means small mistakes can have big effects. Mistake number 7, bathing too often. Some parents bathe their newborn daily, thinking it's necessary for cleanliness. But this can dry out their sensitive skin and strip away natural oils. How to fix it? A sponge bath 2 to 3 times a week is enough in the early months. Clean their face, neck folds, and diaper area daily. Mistake number 8, ignoring umbilical cord care. Covering the umbilical stump with diapers or failing to keep it dry can cause infection. How to fix it? Fold the diaper below the stump, keep the area clean and dry, and let it fall off naturally within 1 to 2 weeks. Mistake number 9, overdressing or underdressing. Parents often worry about their baby being cold and pile on too many layers, which can cause overheating. How to fix it? A good rule is dress your baby in one more layer than you're wearing. Always check the back of their neck. If it's sweaty, they're too warm. Emotional and bonding mistakes. Caring for a newborn isn't just about feeding and sleep, it's also about emotional connection. Mistake number 10, not holding or soothing enough. Some parents fear spoiling their baby by holding them too much. But research shows that newborns cannot be spoiled. In fact, responding to their cries builds trust and security. How to fix it? Practice skin-to-skin contact, talk softly, and hold your baby often. This not only soothes them, but also helps regulate their body temperature and heart rate. Mistake number 11, ignoring your own needs. Parents, especially mothers, often push their own health aside, skipping meals, not resting, or neglecting mental health. But a stressed, exhausted parent cannot give their best to their baby. How to fix it? Ask for help when needed. Accept that you don't have to do everything perfectly. Take breaks, eat balanced meals, and talk openly about postpartum emotions. Seeking support is strength, not weakness. Safety mistakes. A newborn's environment can sometimes be riskier than parents realize. Mistake number 12, unsafe car seat use. Many parents either install the car seat incorrectly or let the baby sit in it for too long outside the car. How to fix it? Always follow the car seat manual carefully. Babies should ride rear-facing in the back seat. And remember, the car seat is for travel, not for naps at home. Mistake number 13, skipping regular checkups. Some parents think if the baby looks healthy, there's no need for doctor visits. But newborn checkups track growth, development, and catch problems early. How to fix it? Keep all scheduled pediatric appointments and don't hesitate to ask questions. Even small concerns matter. Parenting a newborn is a journey filled with love, learning, and yes, mistakes. The truth is, no parent is perfect. But the more we understand, the better choices we can make for our baby's health, safety, and happiness. Today we covered the biggest mistakes like overfeeding, unsafe sleep, overbathing, missing bonding moments, and car seat safety, and how to fix them with simple, practical steps. If you've made any of these mistakes before, don't be hard on yourself. Every parent learns as they go. What matters is that you're here, seeking guidance and showing up for your little one with love and care. Remember, your baby doesn't need a perfect parent. They just need you. And if this video helped you, subscribe now and share it with someone who needs it.